Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Yuzu Miso Yakionigiri. Yuzu citrus is in season right now, so today I'm adding the fresh yuzu flavor to yakionigiri. It's great for meal, but it's also great for snack. So you can make small size yakionigiri and freeze them so that you can snack on them anytime you want. And at the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Yuzu Miso Yakionigiri, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Japanese rice. I'm cooking 3 cups today. 3 tablespoons miso paste, 3 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons mirin, 1 yuzu citrus, and some salt. I'm cooking the rice first, so let's rinse it. Add some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. And the water doesn't have to be perfectly clear. Let's put the rice in the pot. It's 3 cups of rice. I'm adding 3 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1:1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. This is to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. It's been soaked for half an hour, so let's start cooking. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Now you can hear and see it's boiling. Turn the heat to low, as low as you can go, and set the timer for 12 minutes. Cook for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off, keep the lid on, and steam at least 10 minutes. Steam for 10 minutes, so let's fluff it. Put the lid back on and cool it down to lukewarm. In the meantime, let's make Yuzu Miso Glaze flavored with Yuzu citrus. 3 tablespoons of miso paste, 3 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons mirin, yuzu zest, cut the yuzu into half this way. And squeeze the juice over a strainer so you can remove the seeds. Turn the heat on and cook it over medium heat as you constantly mix it because it's easy to burn. So I cooked it like 5 minutes, nice and glossy, and I can draw a line in the middle, like this. Turn the heat off and cool it down. The rice is cold enough to touch, so let's make it into onigiri. So you need rice, bowl of water to keep your hands wet. The rice is very sticky, so you need to keep your hands wet all the time. Some salt, small bowl to standardize the size of onigiri, oven sheet lined with parchment paper. Wet your hand using bowl of water. Put some salt on your palm. Rub it all over. Rice into the small bowl. Take it out on your palm. Try to make it into triangle shape. like this. Before you carry on to the next one, don't forget to wet your hands. Some salt. Rice. And triangle. I made 8 regular, 3 mini size using 3 cups of rice. Let's spread the Yuzu Miso Glaze on top of each onigiri. All done, so let's put it in the oven to grill. I grilled them for 15 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. You can see the Yuzu Miso on top is nicely burned, so Yuzu Miso Yakionigiri is ready to go. Leftover Yuzu Miso is perfect as a dipping sauce for vegetables. You can dip cucumber, daikon radish, cooked broccoli, whatever you like. So just put it in a small Tupperware and keep it in the fridge. It can last about a week. Okay, time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The burnt part is nice and crunchy. It's still moist and soft inside. And the Yuzu Miso Glaze is just amazing. Yum! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Yuzu Miso Yakionigiri is ready, so let's put it here. How about Yosenabe hot pot to replace all the other dishes? You can have some pickles too to refresh your palate if you like. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!